subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello children, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Today we will learn last topic of this chapter, rolling and sliding. Object that are round or curved surface will roll and object that are flat surface will slide. Let's see with the example. This is a lemon. The lemon is round, so the lemon is rolling. This is a ball. The ball is round, so the ball is rolling. This is a tomato. Tomato has a curved surface, so tomato is rolling. This is a pencil. The back side of a pencil is round, so the pencil is rolling. This is an eraser. Eraser has a flat surface, so the eraser is sliding. This is a sharpener. The sharpener has a flat surface, so the sharpener is sliding. This is a scale. The scale has also flat surface, so the scale is sliding. Now let's see in the textbook. Page number 12. Topic is rolling and sliding. Now see in the textbook. Page number 12. Topic is rolling and sliding. In this picture you can see that the ball is rolling and the box is sliding. Things which have curved surface will roll, so the ball is rolling. Things which have flat surface will slide, so the box is sliding. Now see the exercise. Tick right the objects that will roll. There are 4 objects: pencil, football, butter box and onion. The pencil, football and onion have curved surface, so they will roll. Tick right the pencil, football and onion. Now see the next exercise. Tick right the object that will slide. There are 4 objects: cucumber, tomato, suitcase and battery. Suitcase has a flat surface, so suitcase will slide. Tick right the suitcase. Now see the page number 13. Wise grandmother. The title of the story is Wise Grandmother. Look at the first picture. Once there was a lamb going to see his grandmother. I will explain this. A baby sheep was going to see his grandmother. Look at the second picture. On the way through the jungle, he met a wolf. Now I will explain this. So when the lamb was going to meet his grandmother, it met the wolf. In the second picture, wolf said to the lamb, "I am going to eat you." Now I will explain this. So the wolf said to the lamb, "I will eat you now." Look at the third picture. "Please let me go. I am going to meet my grandmother. You can eat me when I return." I will explain this. The lamb said, "I want to see my grandmother, so please let me go. You can eat me when I come back." See in the picture. "Okay, you may go." So the wolf said to lamb, "Okay, you can go." Look at the fourth picture. When he was about to return, look at the fourth picture. When he was about to return, he told the grandmother about the wolf. Now I will explain this. The lamb said to his grandmother that on the way I met a wolf and the wolf said that it will eat me. The grandmother gave him an idea. I will explain this. So the grandmother gave the solution to the lamb. Look at the fifth picture. Go and hide yourself in a dholak. I will explain this. In the picture, you can see the dholak. it is a musical instrument. So the grandmother gave an idea to the lamb, go and hide yourself in the dholak. He did so. The lamb went inside the dholak. Now turn the page number 14. Look at the sixth picture. The grandmother rolled the dholak on the road. The dholak started rolling down. Now I will explain this. Dholak has curved surface, so dholak will roll. The grandmother rolled the dholak on the road. Look at the seventh picture. The lamb saw the wolf waiting for him. I will explain this. There were holes in the dholak and the lamb saw the wolf is waiting for him. Did you see a lamb coming this way? The wolf asked the dholak, did you see any lamb in this way? No. The lamb in a dholak answered to the wolf, no. Look at the eighth picture. The wolf grew suspicious and started running behind the dholak. Now I will explain this. If you think that can the dholak speak? No. But here the dholak answered. So the wolf started doubting and running behind the dholak. Look at the ninth picture. Before the wolf could catch him, the lamb reached home and was thankful to his grandmother. Now I will explain this. So when the wolf came back to catch the lamb reached his home and he thanked his grandmother for giving an idea. So I hope that you understood the concept of rolling and sliding through the examples and this interesting story. Bye bye.